This is CoroMill MS20, our first choice two-edged milling concept. It handles all types of shoulder milling with ease, and thanks to its extreme versatility, it is also capable of face milling, ramping, helical interpolation, and full slot milling. OMC, founded in 2001, has since the start operated in the field of precision mechanical machining. The customers are primarily from the aerospace sector, but also in the defense and energy sector.
Important when choosing a new milling concept is cost reduction, edge line reliability, insert thickness, and cost performance. The big benefit is number of component piece per cutting edge, predictability and performance.
Security and predictability are key requirements when engaging production in expensive, hard-to-machine materials such as titanium and other heat-resistant superalloy materials. Failure is not an option. ERGG is a channel partner representing Sandvik Coromant since founded 1991. Together, we serve customers in the aerospace, automotive, energy and defense sector with tooling solutions and application knowledge.
The collaboration started thanks to the new introduction of CoroMill MS20. We collected the customer need, moving on the activity testing on field to bring out the strength of the Sandvik Coromant solution. The great outcome of the collaboration of two companies in creating results for the customer, receiving feedback. The project has been proven profitable in terms of productivity, economics, and sustainability.
But why choose a two-edged concept over a multi-edged cutter? Well, the two-edged cutter stands out as the more versatile solution. While multi-edged cutters excel in specific optimized areas, the two-edged cutter emerges as the overall winner, offering true versatility, perfect for mixed production. Thoroughly developed for roughing to finishing operations in steel, stainless steel, and heat-resistant superalloys. CoroMill MS20 delivers excellence across the board.
Thanks to the implementation of the CoroMill MS20, we have changed the customer vision on productivity, sustainability, and cost reduction. CoroMill MS20 has allowed us to discuss with the customer not only on technical performance, but to develop a new mindset, but above all, to restore a new competitiveness in future projects.